Hi, I am back again. Do you remember what we learnt yesterday? Yes, it was Swar. So today we will revise it through fun activity. Before that, let us once revise all the Swar. A, A, E, E, U, U, Re, A, O, O, An, Now let us do the activity. For that activity, we need some flashcard of the Swar, one A4 size paper, one marker pen. Now first turn all the flashcard one by one and mix it well. Then pick up any one flashcard and related to it you have to draw one picture. Now let us once pick up any one flashcard. Which swar is this? E. So related to E we are going to draw Imli. I am going to show you how to draw one standing line, three curves, same from the other side, one more Imli I am going to draw it, three curves, join it and slipping line on the top. Again I am going to pick up one flashcard. This is A. ऐसे ऐनक. So I am going to draw one ऐनक. Make two circle, one slipping line in between, two standing line and make a curve. My ऐनक is ready. Now I am going to pick up one more flashcard. Which one is this? A. So A से arm. One small standing line. Make a big S and make a half circle. Join it well. Slipping line on the top. Now see, my pictures are ready. In this way, you have to pick one flashcard and draw one object related to it. Now, I am giving you some worksheet to solve. In this worksheet, you have to see the pictures and you have to match with the related swar. First picture is of Un, second one Imli, third Anak, fourth Rishi, fifth Anar. In this worksheet, you have to see the picture and circle on the correct swar. First picture is of Aam, next Okhli, third one Eek, fourth is Angur. Bye. Have a nice day.